nigo county ya Kisii yariganire boikiranu aso moyega bwo gochengera ritko rya Mashujaa Day eryo rirabe ritko rya Alhamisi tariki 20 cy'omutienyo yega ritko rigochengerwa bono tariki 20 cy'omutienyo ikomikera omwaka na korengana ne county ya Kisii nigo ekamati iretenderete mirobere yo ya enekire na emirobere yonse ikiranire asebaganirie abantu wesokia sobonge eryo gochengera abanyangongo muri keito Josephat Hamisi norobote urwasenchira yo boikiranu.
County ya Kisii nigo yariganire kegima eryo gochengera rituko rya abanyangongo se Mashujaa Day irachiko baligo kolekana rituko rya Alhamisi chitariki 20 cy'umutenyo yo omuyega uyu rachiko kolekana asigati kya Gusii Stadium ayangolengana na Temi Elizabeth yoro deputy county commissioner korwa Kitutu Central.
My name is Temi Elizabeth, the Deputy County Commissioner, Kitutu Central. With me is my colleague, the Deputy County Commissioner, Kisii Central, and officers from the national government and the county government who comprise the county celebrations committee, which is the day after tomorrow. We want to inform the members of the public, especially within Kisii County, that we are very ready to hold the Mashujaa Day celebrations. This is the first celebration that we attended by the new governor for Kisii County, and also the county commissioner will be present to read the speech of the president. And so we urge members of the public to come and participate in the celebration.
Deputy County Commissioner Elizabeth niko bayigatabire niko banyareko bakwariganya abageni bechinchira abarachikuba bagoikirana aso moyego yo eryo gochengera lituko elire banyangongo.
We will have entertainment for them. We have invited various groups both from the churches, schools and private practitioners within the entertainment industry who will be able to showcase their talent. We have also invited heroes and heroines because this is their day. They will also be doing some performance on the same, and will be part of the guests that will also give speeches just because of our nationhood and our sovereignty as a nation.
Beatrice Barongo oiboigo olegati ya barai se committee yegendete ko bekwarigane omboyego yo nigo boigo abariganire anene abamenye be county ya Kisii banyarako bagwesokia sobonge eli banyarako bagochengera litukelyo lirachiko balikorawa no mugavana be county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati.
Bate biri abantu baminto mwezi mochiche engakiyo tukabwate Mashujaa Day litukelyo likaleta stage tale 20 kamoranje mochiche mwezi litukelyo tukabwate no na macha abantu barayi mo baise kuoboa twamanyire ngebinto mbikongete lakini twabangire mebango chiboda administrator ntibe chiko bate yabantu bango chiboje nade to facilitate transport kamoranje abantu baminto moche mwezi county gaiga mo erinde mororera nino nyino mugaba noito Simba Paul Arati ekiagera diseases nenge kiya yentangani agochiko kutulia repression mune yiga na bari kiremwesi asante sana.
Elizabeth Boigo nigatebire chisemo chobulendi cyanyareko bakikobekwa bene lyokone kingali tukelyo abonse baranyareko bagwikirana aso muyego yo nigo baranyareko bagutwara obulendi iboisaine.
We have organized even to manage any eventuality. We have standby disaster management protocols, and security is well beefed up in the ceremony, and so nobody should be worried that if they come, they will not be taken care of. We will have sufficient sitting space for all the guests that will come that day. So we really want to urge you to attend.
Kuripoteri Ndizi TV Korwe County ya Kisii Elitana Josephat Hamisi.